how to save ideas in Buffer. So first is go to the Create tab or section right here on the top left. Then click on it. Then it will bring you right here on this page. And once you're here, just simply navigate to the New Idea button or option right here on the right side. Then click on it. Then this will pop up where you will need to input the details of your idea. So you could give your idea a title. After that, you could now add the content that you want. So you could also use the AI assistant if you want help with your content. And you could also drag and drop or select a file right here. And you could also select media from integrations like Canva, Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Photos, OneDrive, and Unsplash. You could also add emojis. And here is the AI assistant. And if you click on it, there's a tab that will pop up right here, which says Buffer AI Assistant. So it can help you write about any topic, revise content, and repurpose posts across networks. So I'm just going to type some random stuff right here. I'm going to name it test and just some random stuff. And once it's done, click on save idea. And as you can see, it has been put right here on the unassigned page, just like that. And that is how you basically save ideas in Buffer.